What are you cooking? Nawala. Limpiyuhan ni Patrick.
Fried egg.
Get finished with the cooking. I'll show you the ilok of mama. Yung ilok ba, babe?
Ayaw, okay.
Kaya ang gory man ka na. Oh, napagod na. Gawin nyo din to sa mga anak nyo, mga loves. Super dirty. Hi, mga loves! Good morning! Go! Good morning! Okay, mga loves. So, I just woke up just now, actually. And, I decided to vlog my whole day today. So, I hope that I won't be sleeping the whole day para makita yung
Mama is talking to the guy bossing.
So, I saw these test papers ni Kungkong and unfortunately, it's not the results that I want. So, what I will do today is I will copy these and print it para Kungkong can review the test papers. Okay? So, I already I already took my dietary supplement because I want to be thinner. So, yun lang. So, by the way, mga loves, let me show you something that I really love. Because last night was the first night that I used our Young Living diffuser. So, yan. Okay.
It can work.
So, look at my stash right here. It's very hugo. So, later, magda-devotion tayo. But,
You
very
have
hugo.
a Bible. You have a Bible.
Yeah. But, tingnan natin if I can take care of that one later on.
You can't take it later?
No. So, be ready, ha? I will go ahead and...
Change your dress.
No, I will go ahead and copy your test papers right here, okay? So that you can review, alright? Alright, so we have Mama right now cooking some breakfast. What are you cooking, Mudra? What are you cooking?
Fried egg.
Fried egg. So, bugok pa ng itlog.
Yummy.
So, okay. This is the outside of our house, mga loves. And our swimming pool. We are looking for someone na makapag kung ano swimming pool na mo makapag limpyo kay limpyo ni Patrick. Takot kayo ko. Anyway, so I'm done with updating my girls. Yeah. Updating my girls just wanna have fun group chat. Slippers. So let me check kung unsa akong i-update. Ayun. Hi, mga love. It's morning. We have Kungkong. You can't see it because snack. What's happening to your hair? So let's check out the garden.
Garden?
Yeah, let's check out the garden. Come on.
This Papa.
We have a big garden in the backyard. So this is the swimming pool. But it's super dirty.
No,
Super
that's
dirty.
Kuto.
No, it's not kuto. Just super dirty. So again, guys, wanted sa mga madlimpyuhay og swimming pool. Okay? So, that one. Kailangan po na muna ipaibot, guys. So this is the garden.
To play with the kids?
Open this. Oh, yeah. So this is our garden right here. Now, dagan na kay mga tubo-tubo, guys.
And you can play with kids.
So a very healthy kalamunga is here. Okay.
Oh my
And
gosh, so lava.
there's our extra CR right there. So this is the kamote tops that Mama Aning tanom-tanom that planted that one. And the alugbati.
But there's the other one.
And some kalamungay right there. And oh, some beautiful flowers. I don't know what you call these flowers, guys. Alright. So actually,
This other one.
yeah, this is not really our garden. This is just part of our house. Because we are just renting. So technically, it's still our backyard. It's still our garden. It's not a garden. So let's go to the flowers. So this is our dining area right here.
Look, there's a cat.
Sa outside.
He's seeing cat. He see us.
And oh, there's a cat. I really don't like cats. But this cat is so fat. Hey! Oops! Oh. That cat is a rascal cat.
She bites Shadow.
Yeah, he's the one who killed our rabbit. So, you are already branded, dude! So, this is our tangke. King, come here. Let's just show them our plants. Okay, hi! This is a kind of,
Rocks.
I don't know, cactus siguro. But naa sila yung mag-flower siya ana guys. So, kana ko sa side. Flower siya.
Can move.
So yeah, we have, oh, that's so cute right there.
What were these ones?
The same.
Yeah.
Oh. So yeah.
You have no flowers.
Lah, ang kuan guys, nagsiga pa ang kuan sa silingan. Nagsiga pa ilang suga. Okay. Okay, so we are done showing you the outside of our house. And Mama is still here, not yet finished with the cooking. I'll show you the ilok of Mama. Imong ilok ba, babe?
Ayaw,
Kaya ang gory man ka na. Okay. Kung, oh! Nice cooking. Oh, this is our dirty kitchen right here. Mga loves. How's the cooking going? How's the cooking going? So, ugh. What?
You have no space.
What is that one? That's our?
That one.
That's our what? Our
kitchen.
kitchen.
That's why you cannot fit.
Cannot fit?
Yeah, because there's the other one.
No, it's just too small there. So we have another kitchen here actually inside the house. So yeah, this one. But we mainly do we were just boiling water here because we don't want na mabuot siya diri guys sa balay because there's no really windows here.
There's no windows.
Yeah, there are windows but it's not enough. So that's why I decided to put the kitchen here. Okay, so this is how we do this so that we can get a lot of air inside our house. So Kung scooter will be put there para mababag siya so that it will keep open. And this one right here, this is the curtain. So we'll just go ahead and hang it on top.
No, you cannot do. See?
We hang it on top.
I said you have to twist it.
Okay, Mama Aning is here na. Oh, see? That's the omelette! Omelette! Hi, Tita Millet! Say hi, Tita Millet!
Mommy, yaning yan. Mommy, yaning yan.
Yeah, where's Tita Millet?
Wala. The egg.
Oh, napagod na. Just like our cries. Napagod. Bago na
He's in
napagod.
the egg. He's in the egg.
So, guys, I will also update my girls. So, nag-reply na sila. So, I will update them too. Okay. Hi, mga loves. Hi, girls.
Hello.
We are vlogging. We are vlogging here, girls. Look, oh. See, we are vlogging. Oh. So, I will just send this video to them. Good morning.
No. No.
Ayun. So, isasend lang natin. Okay guys, so what I did, I took a picture. I took a picture of this one. So, what I will do, ako asyanggi. Then, so this is the result, guys, right? Mga loves, I am done with the first batch of exams.
Look, I filled them up. I have no name.
Yeah, so you're gonna write the name later. Okay, we're gonna eat first. Come on. So, we've got the food right here. So, Mama Aning. Okay, so Mama Aning ako, Mama. Okay, yan ang ating food this morning. But we need coffee. So, on sana akong coffee. Okay, so this is my dukot rice, longganisa, pinakurat, and eggy. So, wala pa ang coffee. Kungkong is eating. Ang mga langaw besh. Okay guys, so tingog na ang ininit tubig. So we're gonna get it from there. Wait lang. Diba? Twins. I'm gonna use my panapton right here. Okay, what I like, guys. Be careful because it's so mainit. Ah! Okay. So let's open this.
Takori is very puti. Look at the takori.
This is very dirty daw. Very dirty daw ang aming teapot. Takore. So, Mama doesn't like it. So, let's, so this is the Filipino morning breakfast na cooked by Ana Maria. Ana Maria. Pakita mo ilok, Ma.
Guri na.
So, this is my favorite pinakurat. So, I usually sausaw this one. Dali ha. Yan. Ah! In here. We put it here. Then eat it. So guys, breakfast sa bigas ha. Later. Guys, alright guys, I'm already printing Kungkong's test paper. Thank you so much. Good job. Kung, it's almost finished eh. Okay? We're watching Ladybug. Gawin nyo rin to sa mga anak nyo, mga loves, para ma-review sila, diba? But if meron namang soft copy si teacher, para hindi na kayo mahirapan kagaya ko, so you can use a soft copy. So, i-ano na lang natin to. Okay? Let's do this! Hey mga loves, now that it's time for us na na-finish.
Exam!
We're going to have the exam for Kungkong. So, pinaghirapan ko yan mga loves na i-copy-paste, na picturean at i-copy-paste ang exam niya today. So, we're going to see if Kungkong really learned something from school. Okay? Kunya? Kunya?
No, kunya!
Alright, let's do this. Okay, so next is we have, this one is
Basket.
okay, so what's the missing letter?
K.
Okay, you encircle it. Then you write it. Good.
Did you put the sticker on it?
Yeah, I did. So next is...
Not real.
It's not real. Next is kettle.
Kettle.
So what is the letter for kettle?
C.
Kettle, I said.
K.
Okay, go. Don't be confused. Just write it down properly. Oops, dili bali. Then we have bubbles.
Bubbles.
So what letter?
B.
B. How many B?
1, 2.
B as in B. B.
1, 2.
Okay, go. Don't be confused. Mali ka na naman dyan. Okay. B ate na K.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Karoon. Dali
I'm
an.
the princess. I met you alone.
Si Sige na, sige na. Write it properly. Follow. Okay, good job. We already finished praying
Yeah.
for school so that Coco will have a very good day at school.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you too.
I love you. You take care, okay?
Look at the camera. He's looking at you.
I'm so tired.
No, you
But I can't sleep.
I'm not a pillow.
You're not a pillow, but you're my baby. So here we are, mga loves.
We
and-
are in the house.
Yeah, we are in the house, and Kung Kung is
Going to
preparing
school,
to go to school.
And Ryan too go to school too.
So later, I'm gonna pick her up because we're gonna go to
And we
Atita.
gonna finish off after my school day. I have 3 days.
3 days.
No, 10 days.
So tomorrow, mga loves, we're going to have a photo. I don't know, a signing of contract again for Kung Kung's model agency. Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. Ow,
Then by Saturday, we're going to have a photo shoot. Unfortunately, we cannot show that to you guys
After
because
uniform.
no, we cannot show the photo shoot yet because it's confidential. So, say bye-bye na to the my loves.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Are you saying because you're blur?
Ow, ow.
Say goodbye to the my loves.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later. Bye.
Okay, later. Okay, mga loves, so I will be calling my student now. And I'm just using my cell phone to do my lessons. Yan. I'll be calling my student, okay? Then,
Hello, guys.
later, shh, quiet. I'm calling my student right now.
Can we kiss you?
Hello? 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 He's not answering. Takashi-san, can you hear me? Okay, so hi Takashi-san. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you today? That's very good. So, Takashi-san, welcome to my class. This is the first time that we have our lesson today. It's already evening time, dinner time, so we're going outside to
We
buy
gonna buy some
something.
food.
Going out. Going out.
What?
I'm going out.
You're going out?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Buying food. Ooh. And here's the streets. Bye. What else, King? What's that? Open the ribs? Sige, ribs there. Going to the convenience store. King. See, oh, Hershey's almonds. So we have Bubuchang. This one is I like.
That one.
Yeah, I like that. But we're gonna go with the with the smaller version. The smaller version. Ah, this one 2-in-1. Okay. Over. Tinga. Show me what you got. Yakult and
Mommy, I love that one because this is my favorite.
hey, we're going home. King.
We buy some food.
Yeah. Okay, hi mga loves. We are done with our dinner. It's just that hindi ko lang siya na record. Smile. Ayan, yung picture natin. Yeah, so we are going to eat ice cream and papakita namin sa inyo
My
ang menu order.
favorite is jelly. All the jelly plus.
This is queso.
Queso?
Queso real and buko salad. So one of the favorite
Let's open
flavors
it.
of Filipinos. Well, traditional flavors ng pala na not really favorite kasi iba yung favorite nila, chocolate. Kahit na Filipino sila, di ba?
Huh? No.
Quiet. Wanna open it?
What?
Ooh!
What happened?
Smells good. So this is the cheese one.
Cheese.
And this is the salad one. No, this is delicious. It's halo-halo. That's a halo-halo one. So, eat.
That one's good.
No, it's not disgusting. So this is one. Okay, mga love. So this is actually the end of the day for me today. And tapos na ako sa lessons. Tapos na yun. And tutulog na ako. Actually, meron pa akong work sa online pa din. Alas 5 ng umaga. But hindi naman siya mabigat na work. So that's why tambok na kita, guys. That's why okay lang siya. So before I go to sleep, or before kami nga go to sleep, I ano muna yung aking diffuser para sa essential oil. Okay? I'll show you guys. Wait. Okay guys, so I have my essential oils here. I have the lemon, lavender, and wala ko'y tea tree oil. So frankincense na lang sa pag focus. Frankincense. Basta frankincense na, guys. So what I do, guys, is I put it in here sa akong Young Living na diffuser. So just open it like that. And open it like that. So I'm gonna put some water in the inside. So usually I have this here. Put water here. Okay, so naa siya. And then I will just put my isa-isa siya na siya, mga siguro 3 drops each. Yan. So very ano siya, pas-pas siya mag-drop. So this one, guys, so you can just turn this on. Okay. So this is the first one, but you can change na sa nagawas na siya, nag-diffuse na siya. So you can just change the light, the one that you like. Usually, kini siya actually ang light that I really want. Sometimes like that, green one, or ang uban ganahan sila ani. But I like, so you off na siya. So I like the amber one. Pwede siya mag-flicker like this. But I like the amber one. Nawala. So I like this. Like this one. And yeah. So I'm going to sleep na, guys. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Oh, diba? Amazing! This is my amazing diffuser. So guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the bell button to notify some of my next videos. I love you guys. God loves you. You are special. You are a person of value. God loves you. God loves you. Bye.